Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable transparency mode for your headphones RAZER Opus X. So basically we have a few options how to enable it. We can use the controls, but we can also use an application. And let's get started with using an application. Open it, click on your headphones here, and right here at the top we have ambient sound control, so click on it. And to enable transparency, click at the ambient, it's called ambient here. To disable it, just click at the off. But as I said previous, we can use also controls. And right here at the right ear cup we have a power button. So you need to press one time to enable firstly ANC and then transparency mode. So let's try it. I press one time and I just enable ANC, and I press again and I enable transparency mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.